Hey everyone! I hope you're having a good morning, a good afternoon, and a good day, or a peaceful and restful night. I just want to share with you some of our products. I know a lot of people ask me what should I use first or what goes second and all that. So I want to share with you how I usually do my skin routine. And I have 7 or 8 products that I use, but it's so easy to do it. It takes a few minutes. So I haven't done a mask for a while now. Maybe for the past this week I haven't done the mask, so I would like to do the mask. And as women, we know sometimes during the month you get breakouts, and I do get breakouts too, and I have a lot of dark spots. But the best thing is to maintain and try to clear the dark spots and try and maintain, so you don't really have a skin that just causes you anxiety, because that's one of the things that affects most of us is the skin. So I'm gonna do that. I'll start by washing my face with the wash gel. That's our cleanser. And I'll use today, I don't have my brush broke for the face, so I'll be using this. I use this for my face too. It helps to, scrub a bit of it. It helps to exfoliate. So you just need a small amount. I'll just put a small amount like that and put a bit of water. And I hope the music at the background is not too loud. I don't have any rights to that music. I just love it. So, and today is my day off. I need something to pump me up and motivate me. So that's why I have that. So I just put a bit of it. Scrub. And rinse it off. And by the way, you don't always have to use the brush, because sometimes if you have very sensitive skin and then you keep using the brush that is too rough on your skin, so you want to avoid that. You can do it every other day or once a week, just to remove the dead skin. So I'll do that and use my towel to wipe. Yeah, I know I made a mess of my shirt, but I'll just dab it. And then apply my mask. I have a spatula for the mask, so that's how it comes, and it comes with a spatula. But I usually don't like using this. It takes a longer time using the spatula, and try and avoid the eyes, the eye area, because that's the most sensitive. And as you get older, your skin changes because of your hormones, as your hormones are changing. So if your skin, you'll realize when you are in your 20s is not the same as when you're in your 30s or when you're in your 40s, when you're in your 50s and 60s. So when you're in your 50s, you need to apply more stuff to maintain the moisture in your skin, because your skin starts to dry out. And also, depending on the environment, your skin will be affected too. During winter, your skin may be all dry and needing more moisture. So that means you'd be needing to apply at least something that is oil based to keep your skin moisturized. Too much, excess love. Too much, excess love. And the best thing with the skincare is, if you know your skin type, that will save you a lot. Because then you don't have to get, if you have oily skin, you don't want to get stuff that is full of oils that help to moisturize the dry skin. The tips of my nose. I have oily skin, so but if you have combination skin, you're able to use a lot of this stuff. So I will leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, but for the sake of the video, I'll just leave it for a few minutes and come back and show you how it is. So when it's dry, you want to wait until it's dry so you can wash it off. Too much, excess love. Too much, excess love. So I leave it on. It's been like 2 or 3 minutes since I applied it. I just added the bottom around my neck area. So meanwhile, I'll just show you the other products I use. So after the wash, the cleanser, then you use the mask. If you're doing your mask, if that's the day for your mask, then you do the mask. And then after you wash it off, when it dries, then you can come in with the toner. That's the toner, and they all have the turmeric in them. So, and turmeric is full of anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants. So after the toner, you use the serum. Yeah, this is almost done. I'll need a new bottle soon. So that's the serum, or serum, depending on how you pronounce it. So that comes after the toner. Then we have the oil. And this oil, even if you have oily skin, because all the toner and the serum are water-based, so they're not going to make your face oily. But the toner will help to clear your skin. All of them actually do that. But the toner will help to close your pores and tighten your skin. Then you apply the serum, and then you apply the oil. And you just need a few drops. I'll show you how to do that, how I do it. And then after that, you can apply your turmeric cream. We have that's a cream you can use during the day. You can use it nighttime too. If you don't have any other cream you use, you can use that during the day or nighttime. So I use that, and because I'm older too and I'm getting up there in age, I thank God for that. I'm in my 50s and I thank God. I use our collagen cream. The collagen cream retains your skin's elasticity, makes it look supple and nice and soft. So after I use the turmeric, the cream, I usually go in with a bit of the collagen cream. So, but you really don't need to do that. But if you're younger, you can just do up to the that cream, and then if you're going out and you need the sunscreen, so then you apply the sunscreen on top of that. So yeah, I can feel my skin is tightening, and of course it's getting cleaner. You'll see the difference. So that's what I need. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we have the cleanser balm. So this cleanser balm is good to use after the wash, especially if you had like makeup on and stuff. It helps to take out the excess dirt or any leftover dirt from the washing with the cleanser. You use that, and it's oil based, so it helps to take out the makeup. Okay, that's the cleanser balm. It's really good for removing makeup, and it's oil based, so it helps to absorb the dirt and the makeup from your skin, so you're able to cleanse it more. Okay, so I'll try and take out the, it hasn't been 15 minutes, but it's been maybe like 10 minutes. And what I have on the mask, the turmeric mask, is made with the Collagen clay, so, and the turmeric. So, and you can use it twice a week, once a week. You'll see the difference. I usually will leave it on for 15 minutes, but I don't want to do that for the sake of the video. And just as a side note too, I use warm water to rinse. I use warm water to rinse off my face. So. If I can bring the camera closer, you just see how clear my skin now looks. You see that? Okay, so after I do that, then now I go in with the toner. So the toner, I just put a few pumps of it. Give it a few seconds to dry, and then I go in with the serum. I hope you can see that. That's the serum. Yep. And just a few pumps too. Then the oil, just need a few drops of the oil. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I use the cream. See, I have those breakout spots, so they're drying up. So I have oily skin, and it depends too if I take stuff with a lot of sugar. Mainly like if I eat chocolate, I drink a lot of soda and stuff, it messes up my skin too, but sometimes that happens. So if you do, like, you apply it and bring it upwards to reduce those frown lines, to reduce the lines on the side and on the side. Jesus. And then now I go in with my collagen cream. Even that, I just need a few drops. So I have another serum I use for the eyes, you know, to reduce the creases under the eyes, but it's done right now, so I'll have to get another one. And it helps a lot, the laughter lines. So that is it. So if you're interested in learning more about our products, or if you want to order some of our products, and thank you so much for the people who've been ordering from us. We love you. We appreciate your business, and we encourage you to tell the others how our products are working. Leave us review online on our website, sweetcandyville.com, and please come and join us on Facebook. We have a website and a page over there, and on Instagram, and you can join me too on my regular page, Mary Lucas. So have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share so that I can build my community and we can help each other with skincare and hair care. I have hair care stuff too, so I'll do that another time, but for now I get many questions about the skincare. That's why I did that today. So love you all. Thank you so much. God bless.